Hello everyone, back with me again in this channel. On today's video, I'm going to show you how to enter redeem code on Google Play. So for example, you've already buy a code or a gift code from for Google Play, and then you want to redeem it. So you can just go to your Play Store, and then here at the Google Play, click on your profile photo at the top, and you can just go to the payment and subscription option, and you'll find the redeem gift code here. You can just click on this, and you can just enter the code that you've already acquired before, for example, and when you're done you can just click redeem. Okay, that's so easy. And since this is not the right code, I cannot redeem it, but if you have the right code, you can just click on redeem. Okay, that's thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon, and don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe our channel. See you on the next tutorial. Bye bye.